Yeah, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are hearing my voice, okay? And today I just want to teach you how you can create your personal spirit to work for you. Yes, to create your personal spirit to work for you. So if you're a spiritualist, you really need this. You know that sometimes you wish you can have something you can actually send a message. Since you're not in the spiritual realm, you need something to fight for you in the spiritual realm, okay? And this is what this video is all about. I'm going to teach you how you can create your own personal spirit to buy the witch for you. And this you are going to create can catch a witch, can catch anybody. Maybe anybody try to bewitch you or draw you back, that can fight you and hold that person, and that person will confess. And if you're first time visiting my channel, I was born with the gift of saying, that's what people call me this year. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problem and the solution, okay? Please just like this video. If you think me helping you with my knowledge, I'm not selfish with my knowledge. I'm not the kind of people that teach the little one and leave you with the other one because so that they want you to keep coming to them. I'm not that type. So if you think I'm doing well by letting out my knowledge, why don't you just like the video? That's all I ask for you. Stop watching and we just go. You liking the video is what gives me joy. I will appreciate you liking this video. So just like the video now. Like before I continue. Okay, thanks for liking. Okay guys, I want to teach you how you can create your own personal spirit that can buy the wish or do anything like draw money to you. Like in the video I made, somebody made a comment I should teach something of such nature. So that's why I just want to make a video on that for you. Okay, so if there's anything at all you want me to teach you, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely make a video on it just for you. Okay, to create your personal spirit that can do something for you, depending on what you want will determine the items I go to you. But if you want something that can do generally for you, okay, now what you are going to get is that you are going to get a big rat. Yes, you are going to get a big rat. You know, big rat, that rat that don't normally used to see in the daytime. Okay, you are going to get it. That rat I always see at night. You are going to get the head. You are going to get the tail. Yes, you're going to get the head of it. They are also going to get the tail. That's the tail, that white part of it. You know, normally bet the tail forward to see. So you are going to get the head and the tail, the white part of that tail or the whole tail. Okay, then you are going to get a chameleon. You are going to get a chameleon. Yes, you are going to get that the head of big rat at the tail. Then you are going to get a chameleon, that animal that normally changes his head. You are going to get it. Then you are going to get a camel lizard, red-headed lizard. That lizard that the head is red. So you are going to get it. Those are the items I go to get there with one full bunch of alligator pepper. I told you to give a spirit, to give life to anything in the spiritual realm. We normally use alligator pepper to give life to anything in the spiritual realm. So alligator pepper itself is a spirit. So it's a spirit that incarnates the type of energy you just brought. That's most of all those things, the scissors and the rest, most contain alligator pepper. Alligator pepper is just like when God created human being, right? He breathed into that human being. So alligator pepper is what used to bring into something so that the spirit can be active. So alligator pepper must be there. So the red-headed lizard, the chameleon, then the alligator pepper, one bunch of alligator pepper, and the head and tail of a big rat. So you are going to burn all those items together. Then you pack all the items. Meanwhile, when you are burning those items, make sure the item did not touch anything as you eat it, because if you touch anything, maybe for example you burn the item together, use that hand to hold something and you eat it, you become a witch instantly. You possess a witch instantly. That's just it. So you have to be very careful when preparing this. You have to make sure that no single particle enter what you are going to eat, because if you eat it, you become a witch or a wizard instantly. Your eyes will open, you become a witch. Okay, so once you have gotten all those items prepared, then you are going to pack everything. If you want to do this in order to make it easier for you, you can just burn everything. Like how I normally, if I want to do it, is that I'll just get a new clay pot. I'll get a new clay pot, then I'll burn everything together. Then after I've burned everything together, then I will leave everything inside that same clay pot. After I will leave everything inside that clay pot, then in order to now activate it, I'll bring it, I'll let it open it and start working for you. After I've activated it, then you can get white cloth to wrap that clay pot. You wear that clay pot white cloth. Then you pour gin, that's dry gin, inside the inside the plate. Then you put 7 seeds of alligator pepper in your mouth, chew it and blow it on there. You activate it. Then you get a cock. Yes, a cock. Then you kill that cock and let the blood enter inside and some parts in the body of that pot. Then you have done that. That thing is life. You have a God. You have a gods to work for you. So after you have activated it, you can keep it in anywhere you know you'll be keeping it. Then you'll be using dry gin to tell you something. I've said, anytime you do this for me, I'm going to give you a cock or a goat. So you making a promise. So if he wants to eat, he must go and do what you ask him to do. That is just the agreement that it is there. So what shall make that thing happen? So that's okay. I want to buy a car, for example. I want to buy a car, and if you make it happen for me, let me buy a car this period. I'm going to give you a goat. So that spirit, for it to eat that goat, it needs that food. So for it to eat that goat, he will make sure he do what he asks. He must make sure he do what you ask him to do, so that you can in turn provide a goat for it. Okay. So meanwhile, don't say I am the one that created you. You can do anyhow to it. So if you fuck up, you receive fuck up. So if, for example, you promise something to eat and at the end of the day you have gotten what you want and you refuse to keep to your own bargain, it will attack you. The spirit will not say you are the one that created me. No, it will attack you. So you always make sure what you promise is what you give to it. Okay, and this work 100%. It might look simple to you, but don't joke with this, as in don't even try to joke with it. Okay, don't even try to joke with it. And if you still want to make this powerful, you can get sad from 7 different junctures. Get sad from 7 different junctures. It must not be much. If it's just little sad for 7 different junctures and put them inside the pot. Who is Zuzu? Where there is God, everything is possible. So if you find this video helpful, don't want to click on that subscription button. I have a group for spiritualists and pastors. If you want to join my group where I teach other spiritualists real stuff, man, join my WhatsApp group. You will not regret it. But to join that one is not for free. 20,000 naira to join the group and 5,000 naira monthly. That is how it works. 20,000 naira to join the group and 5,000 naira monthly. That's what you pay in that group. So you gonna enjoy my group, okay? Please just like this video. That will put a smile on my face. If you want me to smile, like the video. Just like the video for no reason, okay? See you guys in the next video. The Seer cares.